Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the icon and tap on it to open the app. Once you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on More, scroll down and find the Garmin devices, tap on it, and here you should see the list of devices connected to your account and phone. On the list there should be Forerunner 265. And what we need to do is to... Oh, my watch was turned off, so let's wait until it turns on. Because I don't think it needs to be connected, but I prefer for it to be connected to the phone before we continue. So let's wait until it turns on. Okay, it's connected now. And what we can do now is basically press and hold on the Forerunner 265. You will see this menu. Here we have the basically info about our device, but we can also tap on remove device. Tap on remove, and it will remove the watch from the account basically. And now we can tap on settings. It will direct us to the Bluetooth settings on our phone, and we can tap on the info icon or settings icon next to the Forerunner 265, tap on Unpair, and it will disappear from this list, which means we can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.